I'm Daniël Doorman and I work as product manager for Nedap Retail and I work on our RFID hardware solutions. One of the new exciting products that we work on is an RFID point of sale reader. And this is also of great importance for our ID cloud platform. So what's interesting about a point of sale is that here it all comes together. Stock modifications, click and collect, loss prevention, customer experience. Reading RFID at the point of sale has multiple benefits. One of the benefits is once you read an item at the point of sale, it immediately gets updated in your stock. And this allows for real-time inventory visibility. And this is key for many omni-channel concepts. Secondly, it sets you up as a retailer to perform RFID-based loss prevention. So when items are read at the point of sale, once they are paid for, the alarm will be deactivated. And also, this allows for detailed analytics. A third reason is the speed of checkout. So what we see is that RFID reading at the point of sale is 15% faster than conventional barcode scanning. But it's even 50% faster if you don't need hard text anymore. And this also goes for the return process, where it's not only faster, but also more secure, since you now cannot return items that have never been sold. We want to make it simple. So, of course, the reader is gonna have the latest RFID chipsets. It's gonna have high-performing antenna. It's gonna have remote capabilities. But most of all, we want to make it simple. So, to summarize, an RFID reading at the point of sale, it gives a better customer experience. It's faster and also allows for many omni-channel concepts. Also, it sets you up for RFID-based loss prevention and RFID-based analytics. It is considered complicated, but we're here to make it simple, to make it possible.